Hello, and welcome to the Open Review Conference Management System. Our goal in this project was to assist Dr. Salagi in creating the algorithmic tools for distributing papers to reviewers and creating a conference schedule for an open review conference such as FCRAR. Typically, a conference such as this distributes papers to reviewers as well as creates the conference schedule through manual means by conference staff. We aim to automate this process through the proper application of C# code. As you can see here in our Visual Studio live share environment, which is like a Google Docs environment for coding, we were able to create this console application that I will now show you. As we begin running the application, it asks us if we would like to specify a database to pull our information from. Since we've already constructed a test database, I will be using that. Now it asks us if we would like to create an event or use one that we have already generated. For the sake of time, I will use one that is already generated. Next, we will distribute papers to reviewers, and we can now specify the number of reviewers per paper, which we'll set as 2, and the max papers per reviewer, which we'll set as 5 for the time being. And this creates our paper distribution and outputs it to the console for us. It also creates the HTML files, CSV file, and JSON file for us to view later. The CSV file is so that the conference manager can go back and edit the distribution if they would so like to. The JSON is for later applications and migrating this over to a full web app application. And the HTML table is just for a nice layout for the conference manager to view. Next, we will do the conference schedule. In this case, we will just do one day with 2 sessions per day and 2 speakers per session. As you can see on the left-hand side, it creates the same files just for a conference schedule now as well. I'll now go to the File Explorer and open these files. So here is our paper distribution. As you can see, this is a table specifying the humans or the reviewers with their names, the track that they're in, because we use track as an object identifier to sort papers and keep them grouped with the proper topic ideas, as another way to think of it. The name of the paper and the author of the paper as well. And then the same goes for the conference schedule as well. It tells us what day, what track is being held, and what session for the day, and then the speaking order for the papers and the authors in that schedule. Thus, through our application of C#, our conference management tool has taken a process that would normally take days and or weeks for one person to do, like the distribution of papers to reviewers and the creation of a conference schedule. We have now automated that process to now take only minutes. Thank you for your time and have a great day.